Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. In the left corner, we have the Idea Brushless Motor Drone, and in the right corner, the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone. Which one will take off as the ultimate winner? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Idea comes in at a budget-friendly $89. Meanwhile, the Fokjank is priced at $119. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Idea is the clear winner in this category. However, as some reviewers have pointed out, you often get what you pay for. While the Idea is more affordable, some customers have experienced issues like short battery life and control problems. On the other hand, Fokjank is pricier, but has received praise for its good value and smooth flight experience. Next, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The Idea boasts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor, which many reviewers have appreciated for its excellent resolution and ability to take good pictures and videos. However, some users mentioned issues like scratches on the lens and overall durability. On the other hand, the Fokjank offers a 1080p HD camera. While it may not match the 4K resolution of Idea, it still delivers decent picture quality. Some users did note that the video quality can be shaky, but overall, it performs well for its price point. Now, let's talk motors and speed. Both drones feature brushless motors designed for longevity and better performance. The Idea claims a higher power motor and a max speed of 40 km per hour, which some users found impressive. However, there were complaints about the drone losing control at higher altitudes. Fokjank also clocks in at 40 km per hour and has been praised for its smooth and quiet flight. However, a few users reported issues with the drone flying away uncontrollably. Overall, both drones are capable, but user experiences vary. Feature time. The Idea is packed with features like 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, headless mode, and a VR function. Reviewers have found it stable and easy to fly, even for beginners. However, some experienced issues with obstacle avoidance not working after a few hours. Fokjank offers features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, custom path flight, and 3D flips. It's been praised for being easy to set up and fly, making it suitable for first-time users. Both drones offer headless mode and multiple speed settings, ensuring a versatile flying experience. Let's not forget battery life. Idea comes with two 3.7 volts, 1200 mAh modular batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. This has been enough for users to enjoy their flying sessions, although some found the battery life to be short. Fokjank also offers almost 20 minutes of flight time with two batteries, which reviewers found satisfactory. However, there were instances where users faced issues with the drone flying away, which could cut your session short. Overall, both drones offer decent battery life for their price points. Summarizing the reviews, the Idea Brushless Motor Drone is highly recommended for its affordability, camera quality, and range of features, though it has some durability and control issues. The Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone, while pricier, is praised for its smooth flight, ease of use, and decent camera quality. But some users have experienced issues with the drone flying away. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different types of users. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with a killer camera and a ton of features, go for the Idea. If you're willing to spend a bit more for advanced features and a quieter flight, Fokjank is your guy. Either way, You're getting a flying robot that's way cooler than your childhood paper airplanes. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart.